Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make Goan Green Chutney for sandwiches. And this sandwich is a easy to go snack during parties or when you travel for picnics with your family. It's a very simple chutney to make. The sweet, tangy and spicy flavor of this chutney differentiates this chutney with the other chutney. So stay till the end while I show you how to make this Goan chutney for sandwiches. So let's get started. So these are the very basic ingredients for this chutney. So I've taken 1 cup of grated coconut, 3 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 1 onion. We'll use half lime and a small lime size tamarind which will soak in warm water, and coriander, which is the base of this chutney. So first I will soak this tamarind in warm water, okay, just to soften this ball. And the next thing that I'll be doing is I'll be roasting this onion. Now I'll be roasting this onion with the skin. I'll put the flame low and I'll roast it well on low flame. While the onion is roasting, I'll just chop few of these ingredients. I'll chop the garlic, then the green chili. I'll use half of this lime and I'll chop this coriander leaf. Just roughly chop it. Okay, so the onion is roasted well and now we will peel off the skin. So this is how the onion has to be roasted. Okay, that's it. Okay. And now I'll take a mixture jar and I'll start adding up all the ingredients. 1 cup grated coconut, 1 inch ginger, 3 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, fresh coriander leaves, tamarind, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, roasted onion, lime juice, and 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, and I'll be using water. So I've taken half cup of water, but I'll just be adding it little by little. Okay, because we need the consistency to be thick, not watery. And let's grind it. Okay, the chutney is done. I'll show you the consistency. Look at this. Okay, now this is the consistency that you need. And let me taste. Amazing. That's it. The chutney is ready to be served. And now you can apply butter to both the slices of the bread and then add chutney to it and spread it gently, and your sandwich is ready. So let me know in the comments below, how did you like this recipe, how did you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it. Share this recipe with your friends and family and hit the like button. Till then, see you next time. My name is Stan.